if you want to share the file with somebody that's external to the business, you just click on this share button here. And depending on how the admins have set it up, for us in my school, when I click on anybody with a link, it's made so that there's no editing ability there. So I can't make a shareable link where external people to the company can edit that document. So that's a choice. You can enable that, but that's got to be enabled by the administrators of the whole Microsoft account for your business, your organization. But anyone with a link, I won't personally be allowed to allow them to edit, but that's just a choice by the admins. And I click apply. When I copy that link, I can send that in an email or whatever, and that document is available for anybody within the link, regardless of whether they've got a Microsoft account or anything. It's also worth noting, but I'm going to cover these in another video. If you're choosing anyone with a link, it creates a couple of extra options here in terms of passwords and expiry dates and the download blocking, but I'm going to do those in separate videos.